So cars are getting heavier. This is due to the amount of technology that we're building into cars, changes in drivetrain going to electrification, other reasons. This is a problem because a heavier car means either higher emissions or a shorter range in terms of an electric vehicle. We think that using composite structures is a way, rather than the traditional metals that are currently used, is a way to reverse this trend and actually move to reduce the weight of a vehicle. So the Composites LSP, the large-scale project, is a way that the High Value Manufacturing Catapult is working with the UK industry and supply chain to fill a gap. And the gap is that there isn't currently anybody in this country who can produce composite structures at the high volumes and the cost that is required by the automotive OEMs. By building this supply chain and by filling these gaps, the Catapult can both solve the problem of the automotive OEM and reduce weight, but also create jobs and wealth in the UK.